Welcome to Faro Training. This video will cover the topic Scanner Administration without the SD card. This video is a part of the Scanner Administration series. After watching this video, you should be able to create a snapshot for the Focus 3D on the computer, copy them to the SD card, then apply them to the scanner. Our process to achieve this will involve covering the following topics: discussing scanner administration, including predefining projects and Focus 3D settings in Scene. Finally, I will cover copying the settings onto the Focus 3D via the SD card. As a result from watching this video, you should save time in the field by utilizing the scanner administration prior to performing scans. So with that, we'll begin. With the administration view, you can create a snapshot of Focus 3D settings, including profiles, parameters, projects, and operators within Scene. The design and functionality of the administration view in Scene is the same as the user interface found on the Focus 3D. The advantage is if several scanners are owned, they can all have the same configuration by transferring one snapshot to them all. Another advantage is if you are faster typing using your computer versus the scanner's interface, creating snapshots will save you time. To access scanner administration, select the Scanner Administration button found in the Project Selector. The Project Selector appears when Scene is first loaded. If the Project Selector does not show, you can set it to show by going to Tools, Options, and check the Use Project Selector checkbox. If you are working within a workspace, you can also access the Project Selector by clicking the Project Selector icon located in the standard toolbar, and then select the Scanner Administration button. To predefine scanner settings, right-click the Scanners folder and tell it you want a new scanner snapshot. A view will automatically be initialized, and a name will automatically be applied by default. To rename the snapshot, right-click over the snapshot and select Rename. The view will reinitialize, and once it is completed, I can manage the snapshot just as if I was at the Focus 3D, including any projects, file base names, any initial scan settings, profiles, including anything associated with the profile such as resolution, any cropping of the areas, and whether to apply color or not. I can also administrate the operators. Once I have finalized making all of the changes that I wish to apply to the snapshot, to apply the snapshot to the Focus 3D, I will need an SD card. So once I insert an SD card into my laptop or my computer, all I have to do is drag and drop the snapshot onto the SD card. I will be prompted that the data on the target will be replaced, and if I am sure. By selecting Yes, all of the settings that were applied to this snapshot will now be found on this SD card, including the projects, profiles, and operators. Once completed, I will insert the SD card into the Focus 3D. As soon as the Focus recognizes the new snapshot, a prompt will appear asking whether to update the scanner with this snapshot or to keep the current scanner settings. Clicking Apply Snapshot will transfer the settings from the SD card to the Focus 3D. During this video, I discussed scanner administration and used it to predefine projects and scanner settings in Scene. I also covered copying those settings to the SD card for transference to the Focus 3D. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please see the other video in this series.